We're here with another video, guys, and today I'm going to be opening my Groovy Lab in a box. Whoa. There's a lot of, confetti stuff.
Why don't you...
This.
All right, let's see what's in there.
There's tape that's not opened yet. There's a fingerprint pad, a balloon, a pen, one of those magic pens. There's tweezers. There's what are these things called? I don't know.
Those are like brads, I think is what they're called.
Yeah, brads. And there's let me fix this. Measuring tape.
Oh, your own tape measure.
Really thin measuring tape that doesn't go back in.
There's probably a button, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, there's a marker. There's
Is that a ruler?
Pills or ruler.
I don't think those are pills. Those are probably food color dye tablets.
There's a empty cup looking thing. There's a bag. Measuring glass.
Magnifying glass.
Whatever. Pencil.
And is that instructions? Show us that.
It's
Oh, okay. That's probably still part of the experiment.
There's these are the instructions.
So there's an instruction booklet.
That I can put my name on.
Actually, a Groovy Lab in a box lab notebook.
A lot of papers.
Papers.
That will probably get in handy.
Dropper.
We had our butterflies still. Another one of
baggie.
these things, and that's it.
All right, let's see the instructions. Where were the instructions?
The instructions.
Are they in that?
This is not it.
No. Hold on.
I don't think there is instructions.
You said there were instructions. Let's see. There's another bag in here you might need. What was this?
Oh, that one's the older thing.
Oh. All right, well then let's see. I bet the instructions are in here. Magical Mystery, a lesson in forensic science. So here's the booklet.
Yeah, this is one of those.
Has a note to the parents, and then it has safety guidelines. Then looks like it's going to walk us through our experiment. It's an engineering design challenge. Oh, I bet your brother or sister would like to do this with you. Investigate. Record your observations. Oh, here's a place to collect fingerprints.
This.
Yeah, you would use that for your fingerprints.
Why the papers?
Well, look. Put it on there. Then there's
the pencil thing.
Investigate, spatter or splatter. Tells you the materials you need and then gives you instructions for the procedure. Secret code investigation, that's what these are for. So you're gonna make It looks
this
like
probably?
a wheel to create or figure out an encoded message.
How long does this go?
Spy message, brainstorm, lots of places to write down your brainstorm, final design plan, and build it. And then test it and redesign.
This goes really long.
So that's the contents of the Groovy Lab in a box. Do you think this is going to be fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Think your brother and sister would like to do the experiment with us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say to your viewers before we sign off?
Oh, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
So we're going to do some video footage of us actually doing some of the experiments, but this video was all about what came in the Groovy Lab in a box. This was our first box we opened of our 3-month subscription. It's going to be fun.